Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. Okay, let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it, and currently, of course, give all the permissions if it is the very first time that you're opening this app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and right now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So first of all, make sure that you've got the proper mode, and then the settings. As you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. So we've got off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick maybe 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it. It will be immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 3, or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course, you can always turn off this option just by tapping on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.